23 days na kami dito sa Europe and we miss home. So, we are here in Jollibee. Hindi siya matamis like sa atin. Parang Italian style siya. Meron pa rin hotdog. Masarap. Hindi siya bland, but balat. Balat ng Chicken Joy. Hindi siya pareho. The gravy is different. Super lasa ng gravy. Pili ko yun yung nagpapalasa dito sa Chicken Joy. Hindi siya pareho. Fries is masarap, lalo na pag sinawsaw mo sa gravy. Yung white meat alone, a little bit same with what we have, but the balat is not the same. I think it's the gravy. I feel like the Jollibee food that I enjoyed today is number 1, the fries. And then the game changer here is the gravy. Iba yung lasa nito. Lasang malasa talaga. Then spaghetti. And last yung Chicken Joy. Hindi ko masyadong type yung Chicken Joy. So will you try this when you're in Rome?